Thank you, Olivia. So my name is Chris. I'm the co-founder of Lunch.co. And I want you to buy your lunch from your colleague at work and love it. I want you to cook that amazing Thai curry and share it with the rest of your team because they'd be willing to pay for you. I want you, the CEO of this company, to see the team's performance and engagement rise so measurably that you want more of this magic. Welcome to the future passion economy of food at work. Welcome to a new way of lunching. Welcome to Lunch.co. Lunch.co is a marketplace platform where colleagues can buy and sell their home-cooked lunches from each other in the workplace. Now, this might sound a little bit crazy at first, but the more you think about it, the more it actually makes sense. We spend over 500 billion kroner every year in our home markets of Sweden and UK on workplace lunches. That's 3 times what we spend on Ubers and taxis, and more than twice the size of the hotel industry that Airbnb is going for. So, now is the time to disrupt this market in the same way. So, we have the experience and knowledge to do this. Over the past 3 months, we have transacted over 1,000 meals at our WeWork pilot and have earned a place on the Global Food Tech 500 list already. And we have a clear path to product market fit. As a network enabler, we are able to bring 3 parties together on one platform. We bring the company, the buyers, and the sellers. And by doing so, we solve the biggest barriers for anyone trying to disrupt this market. And those are trust and logistics. By being at the workplace, there's trust amongst colleagues, and there's 0 additional cost for bringing a few extra portions of lunch to work. So this works, and it works, and this is how. So John, he likes to cook extra food. He packages it nicely, and he posts it on the app. The next day, he goes into work, he brings it along, puts it in the communal kitchen. Because there's only a few portions each time, he's actually compliant with health and safety regulations. Sophie, triggered by hunger or curiosity, goes into the app, sees what she likes, finds it, and pays for it. They both meet up, where Sophie can conveniently enjoy her lunch. This creates natural meetings between different levels of the organization, different departments as well. So our business model is this. We take a 10% transaction fee, a company subscription fee, and as our network and our user base grows, we're able to further monetize the data and network in multiple ways. We're also a company that cares. We're becoming certified as a B Corp, donating meal for meal, and we're actually positively impacting 12 of the 17 UN SDGs. We have a senior team that has experience across food and beverage, sales and tech on an international level. Between us, we have backgrounds from consulting and banking, fast-growing scale-ups, and Google, and we have also built, run, and exited successful businesses. Our go-to-market strategy was to start with Sweden and then UK, where there are over 650 million lunches eaten every month. And we have 60,000 offices that are suitable for us to target. With the right resources, we will hit 175,000 lunches by Q1 next year, delivering an ARR of 25 million SEK. So our first round of investors, 7 investors, was completely oversubscribed actually, and closed in just 2 weeks. They bring great advice and network to the whole team. And in fact, one of them is here from Berlin, so welcome. Welcome, Timo. And we are now currently raising another 10 million SEK in our seed round. And we're already 20% committed, and we haven't even started yet. So if you would like to join us on this exciting journey, we would love to speak to you afterwards. Come join us as we improve work culture, unleash the passion for food, and reinvent the way we have lunch at work. Thank you.